Hi, everybody, it's Miss Guillory, and welcome to my direct teach today. So, we're going to be looking at America the Beautiful, where it is and what it looks like, a journey into physical features. And when I think about physical features, I think about things you can see on the outside. Like, for example, if I'm talking about a physical feature of a human, I can say, oh, she's tall, she has brown hair, things that I can see on the outside. So today we're going to look at the world and then look at North America more closely. So here's the world, and here are the seven continents. And you have Asia. Asia is right here. Then we have Antarctica all the way at the bottom. It's cold. And then we have Africa right here in the middle, in the heart of the world map. Then we have Australia. Hi, mate. Good day. And then we have Europe. Europe is above Africa and right there next to Asia. And then we have South America. And then, of course, we have where we are in North America. This is where we live. We live in North America. That is the continent that we live on. Canada is above us. That is a country on the continent of North America. Remember, a continent is bigger, a country is smaller. So you have three continent countries on this one continent. And then we also have Mexico, which is below us. Okay, so these are your three North American countries on the North American continent. US, that's us. Canada, up north. Mexico, down south of the United States. So, what are physical features? Physical features are natural characteristics such as rivers and mountains. Some physical features include the Great Plains, the Rocky Mountains, the Mississippi Valley, the Great Basin, the Great Lakes, the Appalachian Highlands, the Mississippi River, Missouri River, the Gulf of Mexico, and the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. Oh, here is a physical feature of the US map. So remember how I said physical kind of makes me think about what's on the outside. So if I'm looking on a physical features map, I can see from the outside the mountains here and the rivers. They're like indented, and then the mountains look to be grainy because they are elevated. And of course, my Great Lakes are up here. My Atlantic Ocean are near the Appalachian Mountains, A and A. Then my Pacific Ocean is over here near California. Um, all the places you will go: the Great Plains, the Appalachians, and the Great Basin. So, where will you go? So there are plenty of places around the world that we would like to journey to. I know that I've been to a lot of places in the United States, and I would love to go and visit in Colorado and visit where it's cold and in the mountains. So, as you do your assignment for today, think about physical features. Think about those mountain ranges, the things that you can see on a physical map, such as rivers. And then you're going to come over here to your assignment. And then you're simply going to drag and drop it where it goes. So I remember that we went over the Pacific Ocean, the Rocky Mountains, the Gulf of Mexico, the Great Lakes, the Mississippi River, the Appalachian Mountains, and the Atlantic Ocean. We didn't talk about the Rio Grande in the video, but we know, hint, hint, is somewhere near us. So you'll just simply take it and drag and drop. So I'll do one as an example. So I remember we did the Great Lakes, and they were up here near Canada. And remember,